If you're tired of waiting for cold water from the fridge or heating water on the stove, a water dispenser can really help. It gives you hot or cold water anytime you need it, fast and easy. But with so many different kinds to choose from, picking the right one can be a little tricky. That's why today I'm going over the 6 best water dispensers. From budget-friendly choices to portable ones, I'll have something here for everyone. Please note that all the links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Also, the water dispensers mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Frigidaire EFWC 498. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. It's a top-loading design, meaning you can actually see when your water's running low. It fits the usual 3 or 5 gallon bottles, and swapping them out is also pretty straightforward. Now, you get 2 temperature options here, icy cold for when you just need a refreshing drink, and steaming hot for tea, coffee, or instant soup. And you don't have to worry about kids accidentally hitting the hot button because there's a child safety lock built in, which is a huge peace of mind. This water dispenser has a welded stainless steel tank inside, so it's tougher, lasts longer, and won't overheat or leak easily. Also, with the removable drip tray, you can just pop it out, rinse, and you're good to go in case of spills. Also, it's actually powered by a compressor cooler, not those weaker thermoelectric systems. So the cold water is properly cold, not just lukewarm. You're getting around 100 watts of cooling power and 420 watts of heating power, which means your cold drinks stay chill and your hot drinks come out steaming. There are also little light indicators, so you always know if it's heating, cooling, or just chilling in standby mode. I like that the whole thing's pretty compact, about 36 inches tall, and because of its slim design, it slides nicely into small kitchens, offices, or even dorm rooms without taking over the place. Overall, if you just want a no-fuss, dependable water dispenser that keeps your drinks at the right temperature without costing too much, this one is a great choice. Number 5 is the Avalon B8. This is the best countertop option on our list. If you're tired of dealing with those heavy water bottles or just sick of your tap water tasting weird, this one's seriously worth a look. This water dispenser has a bottleless design, which means it hooks straight into your water line, so you don't have to lift giant bottles or pay for deliveries. And it has a built-in dual filtration system, 1 sediment filter and 1 carbon block filter, which are both NSF certified. It cleans up your water so it actually tastes good, and each filter lasts about 6 months, or up to 1,500 gallons. Setting it up is also pretty simple. It comes with everything you need, like tubing, connectors, an under-sink adapter, and even a filter flushing piece. They give you detailed instructions, so you don't need to be a plumber to figure it out, and most people get it done in under half an hour. Now, as for the water itself, you get 2 options, crisp cold or piping hot. Whether you're filling a water bottle or making tea in the middle of the night, it can do it all for you. Plus, there's a child safety lock on the hot side, which is a must if you've got kids running around. Another thing I really like is that it's touchless. You just press your cup against a paddle and water comes out, so there's less chance of germs getting passed around, especially if you're sharing it in an office or with roommates. It even has a built-in nightlight, so you're not fumbling around in the dark. Also, there's an indicator that tells you when it's time to swap the filters. And even though it's smaller, it still feels very sturdy and looks clean on a counter without taking up too much space. If you want clean, fresh water right from your countertop, this water dispenser is the best option. Number 4 is the Brio Moderna 720. This is the best bottleless option on our list. If you're like me and tired of lifting heavy water jugs or constantly buying plastic bottles, this thing just makes life easier. It hooks straight to your water line. And what's great is that it has a full 3-stage system: sediment, pre-carbon, and carbon block filters. So you're getting clean, fresh-tasting water every time you hit the button. One thing that really stands out for me is the adjustable temperature. You can actually set your cold water to as low as 39 degrees or your hot water up to 174 degrees. It's also very safe, with a 2-step lock for the hot water, so you won't accidentally burn yourself or worry about kids messing with it. And there's a UV self-cleaning system built right in. You just tap a button and it cleans the tanks and lines without any extra work needed. At night, there's a soft LED light that makes it easy to see where to place your cup without spilling everywhere. The digital display is also bright and clear, so you can always check the temperature or any alerts at a glance. It has a full stainless steel frame, which gives it a sleek finish. Plus, it's Energy Star approved, so it's not going to increase your power bill. When it comes to installation, you get quick connect filters and the tubing you need. Just hook it up, flush the filters, and you're good to go. Overall, if you want filtered water without dealing with bottles ever again, this one is a solid pick. And if you want to know the latest prices for the water dispensers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Cozy Blue Automatic Pump. This is the best portable option on our list. You can easily install it on the top of your water bottle, and with a simple touch of a button, the water pours out, so you don't have to struggle with heavy bottles and accidental spills. It's made from high-density ABS plastic and food-grade silicone, so it's BPA-free and completely safe for you and your family. The pump is rechargeable with a built-in 1200 mAh battery that lasts up to a month on a single charge and lets you pump about 5 to 6 5-gallon bottles before needing to plug it back in, which is pretty impressive for a pump this small. What I really like about this pump is its universal compatibility. It fits 2, 3, 4, and 5-gallon bottles easily. That's something you won't find with every dispenser out there. Another cool feature is the automatic shut-off option that shuts off on its own when you dispense about 600 milliliters to save you from overfilling. Also, it's compact enough to take along on a picnic or camping trip for both indoor and outdoor use. The design is sleek and modern, so it's not just functional, but also looks great in your kitchen or office. Overall, if you are looking for a portable but functional water dispenser, this can be the best option for you. Number 2 is the Avalon A4. This is the best value for money water dispenser on our list. Its bottom-loading design makes water bottles sit in the base while it pumps the water up, making everything easier and spill-free. It fits standard 3 to 5-gallon bottles, so you've got flexibility there too. Now, one thing I really like is how you can choose between 3 temperature settings: cold, cool, and piping hot. Whether you're looking to hydrate with a refreshing glass of cold water or enjoy a hot cup of tea, it's got you covered. As Laura wrote, "I wish I would have bought this sooner. It's so much easier to change the 5-gallon bottle, get hot water whenever I want, and get cold water anytime I want." Also, the hot water spout has a child safety lock, so you don't have to worry about little ones getting burned. Another great feature is the built-in night light. It's not a huge thing, but when you're getting water at night, it's super convenient to have that soft glow. And if you've ever had to guess when to change your bottle, it has an empty bottle indicator that lights up to let you know when it's time to replace the bottle. It also has the BioGuard antimicrobial coating on high contact areas to prevent bacteria buildup, so you can feel more confident about sharing it with others at offices and dorms. The design is also pretty sleek with a modern stainless steel look, so it fits right into any kitchen or office space. Also, it's simple to set up. You just load the bottle in the bottom, plug it in, and you're good to go. So if you're looking for a reliable value-for-money water dispenser that makes hydration easier, it's a great choice. Number 1 is the Brio 520 Self-Cleaning. This is the overall best water dispenser on our list. It has a self-cleaning option with a UV light that automatically cleans the cold water tank to eliminate contaminants and bacteria. So you don't have to worry about the buildup of biofilms, and you barely have to lift a finger to keep it clean. You just press a button and it's good to go. It gives you 3 temperature options: cold, room temp, and hot. The hot water spout even has a child safety lock, which is a huge plus if you have little ones running around. The nightlight feature is also pretty handy. It's subtle, but it helps a lot when you're trying to fill your cup at night without spilling water everywhere. Plus, it gives you clear visibility of the drip tray, so you know when it's time to clean it. It fits 3 to 5-gallon bottles, and the design is sleek and modern, so it looks great in any kitchen or office. And if you're someone who values convenience, you'll appreciate how easy it is to replace the bottle when it runs out. The bottom-loading design takes all the effort out of it. If you want an easy-to-use, clean, and reliable water dispenser, it really stands out as the best overall option on this list. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect water dispenser for you. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you find a dispenser you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.